What distinguishes a smart contract from its traditional counterpart? At its core, a smart contract is a self-executing agreement written in computer code. Imagine it as a digital vending machine. You insert the required input, like payment, and the machine automatically dispenses the desired output, like a snack. Similarly, smart contracts automatically execute predefined actions when certain conditions are met. This automation is powered by blockchain technology, a decentralized and immutable ledger. Once deployed on a blockchain, a smart contract becomes tamper-proof and transparent, its code visible to all. This immutability ensures that the terms of the agreement cannot be altered or violated, fostering a trustless environment where intermediaries become redundant. Decentralization, another hallmark of smart contracts, means that no single entity controls the contract. It exists on a distributed network, making it resistant to censorship and single points of failure. In essence, smart contracts embody the principles of autonomy, security, and transparency. The inner workings of a smart contract may seem complex, but the underlying principles are quite elegant. Let's break down the process into 3 key stages: creation, deployment, and execution. First, the contract is written in a specialized programming language, defining the rules and actions to be executed. This code is then deployed onto a blockchain platform like Ethereum, where it becomes an immutable digital object. Once deployed, the smart contract lies dormant, awaiting the trigger conditions to be met. These triggers could include anything from a specific date and time to the receipt of a payment or the fulfillment of certain criteria. When these conditions are met, the contract springs to life, automatically executing the predefined actions as dictated by its code. This might involve transferring funds, registering property ownership, or releasing data, all without the need for intermediaries or manual intervention. Let's imagine a simple yet powerful example: an escrow service for an online marketplace. Traditionally, buyers and sellers might rely on a trusted third party to hold funds until goods are delivered. With a smart contract, this intermediary becomes obsolete. The buyer, seller, and agreed-upon terms are coded into a smart contract. The buyer deposits funds into the contract, which holds them in escrow. Upon delivery confirmation, perhaps through a sensor-equipped shipping system, the contract automatically releases payment to the seller. This automated process eliminates the need for a middleman, reduces the risk of fraud, and ensures timely payments upon successful delivery. This is just one example. The potential applications of smart contracts are as limitless as the cosmos itself. The bounty of benefits, efficiency, and beyond. The allure of smart contracts extends far beyond mere novelty. They offer a constellation of benefits that have the potential to reshape industries and redefine our relationship with agreements. One of the most compelling advantages is their unparalleled efficiency. By automating tasks and, eliminating intermediaries, smart contracts streamline processes, reduce administrative overhead, and accelerate transaction speeds. Cost effectiveness is another significant perk. With fewer intermediaries and reduced paperwork, businesses can significantly lower their operational costs. This financial efficiency can then be passed on to consumers in the form of lower fees and better pricing. Furthermore, the transparency inherent in smart contracts fosters greater trust and accountability. All parties have access to the same information, reducing the potential for disputes and fostering fair interactions. And because these contracts are secured by the robust cryptography of blockchain technology, they offer enhanced security against fraud and tampering, making them ideal for handling sensitive information and high-value transactions. A universe of applications, from finance to voting. The potential applications of smart contracts span a vast and diverse landscape, touching nearly every corner of our digital lives. In finance, they are being used to automate complex financial instruments, streamline cross-border payments, and improve the efficiency of trade finance. Supply chains are being revolutionized by smart contracts that track goods in real time, verify provenance, and automate payments upon delivery. In healthcare, these digital agreements are being explored for secure storage and transfer of electronic health records, ensuring patient privacy and data integrity. The real estate industry can leverage smart contracts to streamline property transactions, automate rental payments, and even fractionalize ownership. Insurance companies are exploring their use in automating claims processing and creating more transparent and efficient insurance products. Even the world of gaming and virtual worlds can benefit from smart contracts, enabling secure in-game transactions and verifiable ownership of digital assets. And in the realm of governance, smart contracts hold the promise of more secure and transparent voting systems, potentially revolutionizing how we participate in democratic processes. These are but a few examples. The true potential of smart contracts is limited only by our imagination. Navigating the cosmic challenges. Vulnerabilities and regulations. Despite their immense promise, smart contracts are not without their challenges. Like any nascent technology, they are still evolving, and navigating these hurdles is crucial for their widespread adoption. One significant concern is the potential for code vulnerabilities. Even a minor error in the code can have significant consequences, potentially leading to financial losses or breaches of contract. Ensuring the robustness and security of smart contract code is paramount, requiring rigorous testing and auditing by expert developers. Scalability is another hurdle to overcome. As the number of smart contracts deployed on a blockchain grows, so too does the computational power required to process them. Finding solutions to enhance the scalability of blockchain platforms is essential for handling the increasing volume of transactions. The regulatory landscape surrounding smart contracts is still evolving, creating uncertainty for businesses and individuals alike. Clear legal frameworks are needed to address issues like contract enforcement, liability, and consumer protection in the context of these novel agreements. Moreover, the technical complexity of smart contracts can be a barrier to entry for many users. Developing user-friendly interfaces and educational resources is crucial for wider adoption. The future landscape. A universe of possibilities. As we peer into the future of smart contracts, we see a universe teeming with possibilities. The technology is still in its early stages of development, but its transformative potential is undeniable. We can anticipate a future where smart contracts become ubiquitous, seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. Imagine a world where supply chains are fully transparent, where medical records are shared securely and effortlessly, where property transactions are completed in minutes, and where voting is secure, transparent, and accessible to all. This is the promise of a future powered by smart contracts. As the technology matures and the challenges are addressed, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, fundamentally changing the way we interact and transact in the digital realm.